follow my lead, and we're gonna see some aeroplane models. This one is a C919. It's exclusively manufactured in China. This model is pretty nice. There are some receptionists. This one is a helicopter. B70YG. For emergency situation. Let's go and check another one. This one is pretty small. Air wide wheel. Air wide wheel. It's the private jet, I think. There are some spare parts being displayed here. The engine, maybe. That one is the engine. It's the most complicated part of an aeroplane, a helicopter, a jet. Okay, let's go and have a gander of this one. This one is pretty tilly-willy, but it can fly. So it can hold two people, I think. There are 2 seats inside. B72DF. B-72DF. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy it. Follow me here. Give me a thumbs up. Even you can follow me. Subscribe to my channel. You are going to get a slew of videos regarding trade shows and fairs in China, even around the world. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.